Understanding, thanks a gazillion, a fun phrase in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and expressive phrase in the English language, thanks a gazillion. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these quirky phrases can add flavor to your English speaking and writing skills. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, thanks a gazillion, is a playful and exaggerated way of saying thank you very much. It's a blend of thanks and a gazillion, where thanks is a common expression of gratitude, and a gazillion is a fictional, extremely large number. This phrase is used to express deep gratitude, but in a light-hearted and humorous manner. It's important to note that it's more informal and best used in casual settings. Hyperbole is an exaggeration used for emphasis or effect. In English, it's often used to add humor or intensity to expressions. Thanks a gazillion is a perfect example of hyperbole. By claiming to thank someone a gazillion times, the speaker exaggerates their gratitude to show that they are extremely thankful. It's a fun way to express yourself, but remember, it's not to be taken literally. This phrase is best used in casual, friendly settings. It's great for text messages, chats with friends, or casual emails. Here are a few examples. After receiving a gift from a friend, thanks a gazillion for the birthday present. I absolutely love it. In response to a favor, you helped me move? Thanks a gazillion, I couldn't have done it without you. Remember, it's not appropriate for formal situations like business meetings or official emails. English has many similar expressions for exaggerated thanks. Some include, thanks a million, a bit more common and less exaggerated than thanks a gazillion. Thanks a bunch, a casual and friendly way to say thank you. These variations can be used interchangeably depending on the situation and your personal style. Thanks a gazillion is a fun, hyperbolic way to express deep gratitude in a casual setting. It showcases the playful and creative side of the English language. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing its quirks and expressions. Happy learning, and thanks a gazillion for watching!